very good morning to all of you. I hope all are safe and healthy during this pandemic COVID-19. Myself Kanchi Bhopte. As all of us know, today is 15th of August, the day when India was independent from the British rule. Every year we celebrate this day as Independence Day with great joy. I hope that as India got independent from the British rule, one day the world will be independent from COVID. This year, though we are not gathered together, but still we are united. Let's begin with our today's function. I would like to start with some lines. दिल हमारे एक है, दिल हमारे एक है, एक हमारी जान. हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, हम है इसकी शान. जान लुटा देंगे वतन पे, जान लुटा देंगे वतन पे, हो जाएंगी कुर्बान. इसलिए हम कहते हैं मेरा भारत महान. With these lines, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Now it's time for flag hosting. दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को, दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को, जिससे तेरी शान है. सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका, जब तक दिल में जान है. Now I invite Reverend Father Jojo Vincent for flag hosting. Salute the flag. Hands down. Begin the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे. गाहे तव जय गाथा. जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Now I request Reverend Father Jojo Vincent to give a small message on Independence Day.
Brother Augustine, my dear loving teachers, as we are celebrating the 74th Independence Day and we have gathered here to hoist the flag and honor our country, remember our freedom fighters. It's also very essential and important to remember them, the sacrifices they have made, staying together as one nation. They looked forward to see freedom, and 1947 they received it. But now, after so much 74 years, our country has grown in various and different areas. It may be technology, it may be the development of the agriculture, many other ways. India has gone ahead. We have gone to a state that even other countries respect us. But what about each individual enjoying freedom? Each individual respecting that freedom that we got after the struggle and fight of many of our freedom fighters. Do we really enjoy? Do we really enjoy this freedom with responsibility? We talk about many other things. Let us talk about ourselves. As Indian citizens, do our freedom remembering of our freedom fighters, remembering our country, respecting our country, is it just limited only for this Independence Day or a Republic Day? We need to ask ourselves, if we are really and truly Indian citizens, respecting our country and respecting our nation, remembering our freedom fighters, really and truly we will live as responsible citizens. We just get out of the road and see what we do on the road. Nobody obeys the rules. A person who wears helmet, all look at with wonder which world he has come. That is the law. When we come out, when we obey the signal, if we stand with the red signal, others will look, oh, from where, which country has he come? And they will go. Is that the responsibility? Yesterday, if you went through a newspaper, someone was telling, a girl, intelligent girl, studying in US, what happened to her? Her brother, who is minor, was riding a two-wheeler. Is that our responsibility? But we need to look into ourselves. As teachers, what is my responsibility? As individual, what is my responsibility? Today also, if we go to an office, maybe BSNL office or post office, where they get a bulk of income, salary, which we pay as tax. Do our work is done properly? Then we talk about terrorists and others and other issues. We ourselves create this freedom, curtail, or we stop the freedom that is given to us. Let us take a pledge. Remember those people at this time. We do need to remember, as our president said yesterday evening, the warriors of COVID-19. We need to remember them. There are people who, with the responsibility that is given to them, they are ready to die for our country, for soldiers, the doctors and nurses and ordinary staff serving. I know some of my friends, with so many months they have not gone to home. There are people who go and stay outside outhouses for 14 days, just looking at their children in. Some nurses working in government hospitals. They are worried. They are doing their responsibility. We can salute them. We can remember them. We can pray for them. And let us ask ourselves, what am I doing as a responsible Indian citizen? It's just my love for my country, love for my nation, love for my flag, love for my people. Is it just limited to Independence Day? My dear friends, it's time to awake. It's time to come together, not to be divided, but when each one understand the responsibility of freedom and ready to live, we can make our nation a beautiful nation. We can make our nation going ahead in every sphere of life. Let us work together. May God bless you.
Thank you very much, Father. After this, I would like to call Sanskar Ubnare for a welcome speech.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Sanskar Ubnare and I am here to present a welcome speech in front of you all on this glorious and precious day, that is Independence Day. First of all, I would like to welcome our Honorable Manager, Reverend Father Jojo Vincent. Now, I would like to welcome our respected Principal, Sister Mary Diana Alex. I also welcome our teaching and non-teaching staff. In this pandemonium situation also, our teachers are working so hard. I want to say a hearty thank you to them. On 15th August 1947, we got independence from the British rule. Lots of our freedom fighters lost their life for the freedom of our nation. Only because of their sacrifices, we don't have to follow anybody's slavery. And we should feel very proud to be a part of an independent nation that has freedom to speech and freedom to live life in our own way. But this was not the case before 73 years ago, and we were enslaved by the British government. India has been ruled by the British for almost 200 years, and after the continuous struggle by our freedom fighter, we achieved the independence. On that day, our national flag Tiranga was hoisted on Red Fort in New Delhi by our first Prime Minister Shri Jawaharlal Nehru. Since then, we are celebrating every Independence Day in every government department, school, and college. This is a day of joy and proud for all the citizens of our nation. By saying this, I would like to end my words. In last, I just want to say, welcome, welcome, welcome. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you very much, Sanskar, for welcoming with your such beautiful words. After the welcome speech, let's begin with a dear song. For a solo song, I would call Savio Cherian.
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी, संगीन पे धर कर माथा सो गए अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब देश में थी दिवाली, वो खेल रहे थे होली, जब देश में थी दिवाली, वो खेल रहे थे होली, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, वो झेल रहे थे गोली। थे धन्य जवानों अपने, थे धन्य वो उनकी जवानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद।
Thank you very much, Savio, for enhancing the program with your melodious voice. Before moving on to the next program, I would like to add some lines here. मुझे तन चाहिए न धन चाहिए, मुझे तन चाहिए न धन चाहिए, बस अमन से भरा ये वतन चाहिए। जब तक जिंदा हूँ तो इस मातृभूमि के लिए, जब तक जिंदा हूँ तो इस मातृभूमि के लिए, और मरूँ तो तिरंगा कफन चाहिए। These lines gives a beautiful message, and the same message would be given to us by Janvi Deshpande with her beautiful dance moves. So I would Janvi Deshpande for a solo dance.
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। सिलसिला ये बाद मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मेरी नस नस तार कर दो और बना दो एक सितार। राग भारत मुझ पे छेड़ो, झंझनाओ बार बार। देश से ये प्रेम आँखों से छलकना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। शत्रु से कह दो जरा, सीमा में रहना सीख ले। ये मेरा भारत अमर है, सत्य कहना सीख ले। भक्ति की इस शक्ति को बढ़कर दिखाना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। सौगंध भारत, भारत है मुझे। भूलू ना एक क्षण तुझे, रक्त की हर बूंद तेरी है, तेरा अर्पण तुझे। युद्ध ये सम्मान का है, मान रहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
Wow, it was a fabulous performance. Thank you very much, Janvi. Your performance reminded us the sacrifice of the freedom fighters. They also had the same thoughts. Therefore, they have given up their lives for the freedom of the nation. Let us know more about this by Aparna Sarli. So I invite Aparna Sarli for an English speech.
Coronavirus disease. Many countries in the world have seen coronavirus cases and many are experiencing outbreaks. So, protect yourself and others from the spread of COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe. Today, I wish to tell you a few facts about this special occasion. Today we are here to celebrate the 73rd Independence Day of our nation. We celebrate Independence Day as the National Festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of the national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. It is the most apprecious day for the people of India because India get independent after the lot of hardships and sacrifices from our brave Indian freedom fighters. It is the most important day in the Indian history and in the heart of every Indian. Also, the entire nation celebrates this day with full spirit of patriotism. After the independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India. Moreover, he unfolded our tricolour flag at the Red Fort, New Delhi for the first time. From there onwards, every year we celebrate Independence Day at the Red Fort, New Delhi. In addition, the army performed many tasks that has also including a march past circular by the school students. We celebrate Independence Day to remember the lives that had sacrificed to gain this freedom, as they are the ones who had struggled for our country. The school and colleges organized various functions to celebrate our Independence Day and to pay tribute to our freedom fighter. The youth of our country has the power to change the nation. The official office staff, government and private school, colleges organize flag hosting ceremony and singing our national anthem. Besides, there is a lot of other reasons to celebrate our Independence Day. Hence, to conclude, I feel that it is the responsibility of every citizen to make this country strong in any condition. So, let us be one. United will stand, divided will fall. Wish you a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Aparna. Here I got some lines. ना पूछो ज़माने से कि क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो बस ये है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं. It's time for a group song. So I invite Sakshi and Tanushi Pawar for a group song.
गुजरने वाली हवा बता, मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या, मेरे गाँव जा, मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे. मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस मुँह से निकल के खून कहे. ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो मेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. ओ ओ भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है. सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है. भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू. देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू. देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. ओ ओ ओ जय हिंद जय भारत.
Wow, it was a wonderful song. Thank you very much both of you for enhancing the program with a melodious voice. Now let's move on to the next program. To know more about Independence Day in Hindi by Lishika Pawar.
मी प्राचार्य जी, शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे सभी साथियों, आप सभी को मेरा सादर प्रणाम और मेरी तरफ से आप सभी को 73वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. दोस्तों, आज के इस शुभ अवसर पे मैं आप सभी के समक्ष देश प्रेम से उत्प्रेरित 2 शब्द रखने जा रही हूँ. आओ झुककर करे सलाम उनको, आओ झुककर करे सलाम उनको, जिनके हिस्से में ये मुकाम आता है. जिनके हिस्से में ये मुकाम आता है, खुशनसीब होते हैं वो लोग जिनका लहू इस देश के काम आता है, दोस्तों, यह कोई साधारण दिन नहीं है। इस दिन को पाने के लिए हमारे देश के कई वीरों और वीरांगनियों को अपने प्राणों की कुर्बानी देनी पड़ी है। हमारे देश के वीरों के संघर्ष के कारण हमारा देश 15 अगस्त 1947 को ब्रिटिश शासन से आज़ाद हुआ था। अंत में मैं हमारे देश में फैली एक बीमारी कोरोना वायरस के ऊपर आप सभी से कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। हमें घर से सिर्फ जरूरी कामों के लिए ही निकलना चाहिए और हमें एक दूसरे से 6 फीट की दूरी बनाए रखनी होगी। और तो और हमें घर से बाहर सिर्फ मास्क पहन के निकले और हाथों को लगातार साबुन या हैंड वॉश से धोए और हाथों को लगातार सैनिटाइजर से सैनिटाइज करें। इससे हम कोरोना वायरस को एक दूसरे से फैलने से रोक सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you very much, Lishika. Now, next program is a solo dance. So I invite Yukta Kanate for a solo dance. Thank you very much, Yukta. From past 10 years, the school was celebrating Independence Day in the presence of everyone. But we should not be sad. We have one hope still. Muskurayega India. So I invite Prisha and Sakshi for a group dance.
जय 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 हो जय 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 जय। फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे। होगी पाबंदी, ना रोक ही कोई। फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान। बांटेंगे हम खुशियां, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे। फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया। जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा 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 इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया।
Thank you very much, both of you. With this thank you, I would like to thank everyone. For a vote of thanks, I would like to invite Adra Soni.
Good morning, respected Father Jojo Vincent, respected Principal Sister Melidana Alex, honorable teachers and non-teaching staff, and my dear friends. On this auspicious day of independence, I feel glad and proud to get chance to present the vote of thanks on behalf of St. Teresa's English Medium Convent School. I convey my regards and heartily thanks to our management and teachers who organized such a beautiful program in this pandemic. I will leave you all with these lines. Our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. Thank you again. Vande Mataram.